Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I also hope that you subscribe to my channel. So today's video is a collaboration that I'm doing, and the theme is summery pinks. So we're all supposed to pick like summery pinks and then just go and do our design based on that. My design today is pretty simple. I'm going to start off with these Gel X tips I got off Amazon on my Flexihand, and I will link the tips video in the cards above so that you can see me do initial thoughts on those tips. But I am using them today just on my Flexihand, just because I didn't really feel like building out the shape of the nail. I knew I was going in with a full color nail, so I didn't want to do the clear base. So these tips are a great alternative, and they're applied with gel. So if you're doing this style of design on your nails, you don't have to worry about your nail plate being damaged, or you don't have enough strength holding that nail down because it's applied with gel. Anyways, check out that video, and also check out the playlist, my full coverage tips playlist. All of that will be linked in the cards above. So I'm just going in with some acrylic from Not Polish, and this one is, I'll actually give you the name at the end of the video like I generally do, but again, this is a very simple design. I'm just going to go in with a full set of these pink nails, and I'm going to just do down the middle striping tape that I am going to encapsulate. So I only show me doing 2 nails in this video for the simple fact that every nail is exactly the same, and I really wanted to do a simple design, also because I wanted to talk about the giveaway that we're doing for this collab. So essentially at the end of the video and in the cards below, I will link my Summery Pinks collab playlist. So that collab has multiple videos from many different women. We are all obviously have YouTubes. We all have different styles. We all have different techniques, personalities. So it's a really wide range of women to check out. We all have channels, and we're all in a place where we're still trying to grow. We're trying to grow our channels. So we decided to do a collab slash giveaway. Essentially, if you're watching any of the videos from this collab and you click on that playlist and you go to another video and you're not subscribed to that person and you decide to subscribe, then you're entered in the giveaway. You do have to, however, let us know that you've entered the giveaway, and this is what you do. You leave a comment on the new subscription. The first thing you put is if you're US or international. The second thing you put is that you're a new subscriber and what channel you came from. So if you come from my channel, you put new subscriber from Loved by Verdie Nails. And then the third thing is you must provide an email address or your Instagram name so that I can contact the winner. So let's just run through it really quickly again. And again, I will go through this in detail at the end of the video. So any of the videos that you watch from the playlist, if you're a new subscriber and you subscribe to one of those channels, leave a comment saying that if you're US or international, that you're a new subscriber and what channel you came from, and either an email address or Instagram so that we can contact you. So I'm telling you the rules. You probably want to know what you're gonna win. So what we have for the gift is we have products from MVP Nail Designs, and I'll link her website down below. She's going to be choosing the products, whatever she decides that she wants to send out. She has acrylics, glitters, and I actually love her acrylics. They work so well. So that's one of the things you're going to get. And the second thing is a $100 Amazon gift card. So we've all come together and collected $100 $100 for our Amazon gift card, and then MVP Nail Designs, she's going to put in some of her products in the giveaway. So this giveaway is open to US and international. This giveaway is open until July 24th. At that time, I will be going through all the videos. I will be looking through all the comments, making sure what's asked to be in the comments is in the comments, and then I will probably just pick names out of a hat. Generally, I do a generator, but since there's multiple links, it's I don't know a winner picker generator that you could put in multiple links. So here's the thing. The winner will be announced if they give their permission. If I don't have the winner's permission, we're not going to tag them in a bunch of posts or anything. Some people really don't want to be announced, and that's fine. So if you win and you don't want to be announced, don't worry. That's totally fine. If you win and you want to be announced, we'll announce. So this is just a way to reach different audiences. Whoever subscribed to one of the participants might not be subscribed to me. If you're subscribed to me, you might not be aware of some of these talented ladies. So we're just trying to, in addition to the collab, give a little bit more incentive for you guys to check out the videos. And it's, again, different personalities, different styles. So you might get an acrylic overlay, you might get some poly gel, you might get some builder gel, you might get a Flexihand, what you see here. So definitely, even if you don't want to enter the giveaway, definitely check out these ladies and their videos. So yeah, here I am encapsulating the striping tape, and that's just with some clear acrylic. And striping tape is not sticky. Am I the only one that notices, like, it doesn't, most of it's not sticky. This stuff is like pretty cheap, so you get a lot of it for a little bit of money, and it doesn't stick very well. So I'm just trying to make sure that I can keep it in place. I didn't place it on dry acrylic, so my acrylic was still a little bit wet, so that helps with it, the adhesion as well. And I just want to make sure that I cover the striping tape, so when I do my filing, I don't file any of that off. But yeah, that's pretty much it in this design. I did keep one nail in for filing, so I will let you guys watch the rest of the application and the filing, and I'll be back shortly. Okay, so I am adding crystals, and I'm just going in with some the Young Nails brush on glue. Um yeah, it I couldn't they get them to stick in some places. Some places it dried too fast. So on one nail I do a whole line, and it's kind of crooked just because the glue had started to dry, but this is an alternative that you can use for your Flexihand, or if you're doing a practice set. The rhinestones I'm using are pretty inexpensive ones. Unfortunately, I don't remember where I got them from. But if you want to practice your crystal placement, you can use the nail glue. I personally wouldn't use that on myself because I feel like those would just pop off after you've washed your hands a few times. So I am going to go in with a top coat as well, but I'm going to let you guys watch the placement of this, and I will be back in a couple seconds to go over the giveaway one more time. Okay, guys, so I probably shouldn't have struggled as much as I did with those rhinestones, but hey, it is what it is. So the products I used were the pink acrylic was not polished pink of you, and if you check the description box below, I do have a discount code for their website. I use Young Nails Core Clear Monomer, and the top coat is by Madam Glam. It is their non-white top coat. So let's go over the giveaway one more time. The winner is going to receive products from MVP Nail Designs, her website. She's going to pick the products, and then an Amazon gift card. So we collected $100 for this giveaway. Giveaways open US and international. The playlist, how you enter is by watching the other videos, by subscribing to those channels. So the playlist will be linked on my end screen as well as my description box below. So it's the playlist is in two places. Make sure it's the Summery Pinks collab playlist because I do link other stuff in this video. So make sure it's my collab playlist video. And then once you're watching the videos, if you like the content, definitely subscribe to the other ladies. And to be entered, leave a comment that you're US or international, that you're a new subscriber and what channel you came from, and your email address or Instagram name. I'll pick the winner July 24th, and the winner will be announced if they choose to be announced. So this is my finished design. It's a pretty simple design, but definitely appreciate you guys. Definitely please check out the giveaway. Make sure that you follow all of the rules. There's only 3 things you have to enter. Make sure they're entered in the comments because that's what I'm going to be looking for when I pick a winner. So Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys spending your time with me. Make sure that you comment on my video. Make sure you share my video, like my video, and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. And I will see everybody again soon for another video. Thanks again.